Presenting the 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear defrost, steel wheels, CD player, power door locks, child safety locks, cruise control, power steering, and auxiliary audio input. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.